Hello guys, welcome to Cat 180 Revit Architecture, and in this video we are going to show you about the stair and the stair sketch by the stair, okay, and the component we used earlier, and this is the stair by sketch. So first of all you have to check the elevation plan. You have your four elevation: east, west, north and south. So you have to check the elevation and the level you just gave. Okay, here you can see the level 1, the level 2 and 4 and 3, whatever you just put in your level you can see from here. Okay, and right now you have to go to the level 1 because the stair is uh, downwards to upwards from level 1 to 2. So we are here you can see we having a three options. First of all, run, boundary and riser. So run having a two part. Here's a straight line as the arc. So whatever you want to give in your stair section or structural designing, so you have to give the arc design, and you have the straight line. So we having a run. So first of all, how it happens, you can see the running part, right? So here from here, let's see. So this is the part by run. So we have adjust this with this way, right? So you can see the level here, the properties level. You have to check the level 1 to level 2. The level 1 is a base level and the top level is level 2, and if you give a multi-story, there is a level 2. So here is not a multi-story building, is a one floor of this building we have. So don't give it anything here. So now the design number is 19. It's the number of a riser, and the actual thread thickness is 275. So here is the basic specifications you can see from there. And now when you go to the edit type, you having a edit. In edit you can see the stair calculation, total depth of the stair and other things you can see from there. And there you have the minimum thread depth and riser height. You adjust as your own specification, and then you have to go to the window, and whatever the window you want to give, and the function is the interior or exterior. So monolithic stair means it's a concrete structure. So when you just tick off, then it going to another simple structure, but when you tick on, then it's converted to the concrete structure. So here you having a thread material. If you want to give a thread material like glass or anything wooden floor, so you can give from there. Go to the material. I hope you know all these things about the material changes. And then the riser material, you have the monolithic material. If you want to change the monolithic material, the waist slab and the back side part, you have changed a lot from this section. And here is the thread thickness, nosing length and everything if you want to change. And the riser type is slanted means it's a some slope is there, or as a curve or straight portion. If you are giving none, so then the riser is totally vanished from the stair. So here the riser thickness is 12.5. so this basic specification you have to check everything by trial, okay, and you have understand a lot to doing that. So then okay, and then so you have see the stair, and you can see the stair. Here is the problem is, first of all you have to check the stair to the height of the floor. So here we having a edit sketch. Go to the level 1. Level 1 desired number is 24. Apply, then see what happens. So first of all, go to the scale level 1. And if you want to delete that, run. So here you can see you can see okay. Now here you just touch with the floor, and in this way you just make this stair. Okay, so this is the way, and this is the first way by run. And if you want to change this thing, with the sorry change this thing with the stair by case run in arc. So here you can go for the arc. So you can see in this way you can create the arc stair. Okay, so you have to cut this portion also. If you need a shaft, you can use this. Okay, so here is the shaft. Use this shaft, and in this way you can choose the stair right now. So now go to the level 1. Delete, and now go to the stair by sketch. Here is a boundary, so it's a very important thing in boundary. So here you choose stair, and then riser. You have to choose a riser. So you have to choose the riser. Okay, so in this way you can choose the riser with a boundary. Then okay, got a question. So boundary. So you can see the one after one riser has been made with this line. So now create a boundary. The bound, and then here you can see the staircase. So here you can see the stair has been created. So in this way you have to choose a riser with a boundary and to make a stair towards the second floor. So in my opinion, you have to choose the run section, and if you choose the riser section, then you have to choose a boundary. So go for the run, and it is very suitable to use. So that's why everyone just using this run portion. And if you having a want a boundary of your own specification, then go to the boundary and riser. Hope you guys understood the video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and please don't forget to share and like at 180 Revit Architecture, and please visit www.cat180.com. It's our official website. Thank you. Take care.